Hi everyone! Today I'm making a cinnamon roll poke cake. This recipe takes the classic flavors of a cinnamon roll and transforms it into a delicious cake. Plus, it's really easy to make. So let's get started. Prepare a box of white cake mix according to package directions for a 9 by 13 cake. Bake in your preheated oven until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool. Using a clean wooden spoon handle, poke holes into the top of the cake and then set it aside. In a bowl or large cup, add 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, a 1/2 cup of butter melted, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now stir this together until it's well combined. I'll pour the mixture over the cake into the holes. Now cover this and chill this in the refrigerator for several hours. Then remove it from the refrigerator and evenly spread on some cream cheese frosting. You can either use store-bought or homemade. And here it is, cinnamon roll poke cake. And be sure to store this covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. It's the classic flavors Hi everyone! I forgot what I was going to say. Classic favors. Oh, I did all that. It was not on. I did all that and it wasn't turned on. Oh no! I gotta do it again. Prepare a box of white cake mix according to no, wrong way.